The building blocks of the web. An overview of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTTP, and URLs. The building blocks of the web include the technologies that are used to create and structure content on the World Wide Web. These technologies include 1. HTML, HyperText Markup Language, a markup language used to create and structure the content of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements that are represented by tags, which are written using angle brackets. 2. CSS, Cascading Style Sheets, a stylesheet language used to describe the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. CSS is used to control the style of a web page, including the layout, colors, and fonts. 3. JavaScript, a programming language that is commonly used in web development to create interactive effects within web browsers. 4. HTTP, HyperText Transfer Protocol, the protocol used to transfer data between a web server and a web browser. 5. URLs, Uniform Resource Locators, the addresses of web pages and other resources on the web. These technologies work together to create the structure, content, and interactivity of a website, and are the foundation of the World Wide Web. What is HTML? HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. It is a language used to create and structure content on the World Wide Web. HTML consists of a series of elements that are used to define the structure and content of a web page. These elements are represented by tags, which are written using angle brackets. For example, the following HTML code defines a paragraph element. Less than p greater than this is a paragraph less than p greater than. HTML is used to create the structure of a web page, while other technologies such as Cascading Style Sheets, CSS, and JavaScript are used to add styling and interactivity to the page. What is CSS? Cascading Style Sheets, CSS, is a stylesheet language used to describe the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. CSS is used to control the style of a web page, including the layout, colors, and fonts. With CSS, you can create style rules that apply to specific elements in your HTML document. These style rules define how the elements should be displayed on the web page. For example, the following CSS rule changes the text color of all paragraph elements in an HTML document to red. P. Color. Red. CSS can be applied to an HTML document in several ways, including inline styles, internal styles, and external style sheets. By using CSS, you can separate the content of your HTML document from the presentation of your document, which makes it easier to maintain and update your website. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language that is commonly used in web development. It is used to create interactive effects within web browsers, such as drop-down menus, interactive forms, and dynamic content. JavaScript is an object-oriented language, which means it is based on the concept of objects, which are collections of data and functions. You can use JavaScript to create objects, and then manipulate them to create dynamic web pages. For example, the following JavaScript code creates a function that displays an alert message when a web page is loaded. Function show alert. Alert, hello, world. JavaScript can be used in combination with HTML and CSS to create rich and interactive web experiences. It is often used in conjunction with libraries and frameworks such as jQuery, AngularJS, and React to build complex client-side applications. Some popular HTML editors. There are many HTML editors that you can use to create and edit HTML documents. Some popular HTML editors include 1. Adobe Dreamweaver, a powerful and feature-rich HTML editor that is widely used by web developers. 2. Notepad++, a free, open-source HTML editor that is lightweight and easy to use. 3. Sublime Text, a popular text editor that is frequently used for coding, including HTML. It has a variety of features such as syntax highlighting and code completion. 4. Aptana Studio, a free, open-source HTML editor that is specifically designed for web development. 5. Brackets, a modern, open-source HTML editor that is developed by Adobe and is geared towards web design. Ultimately, the best HTML editor will depend on your specific needs and preferences. You may want to try out a few different editors to see which one works best for you. There are many online code editors that you can use to write and edit code from your web browser. Some popular online code editors include 1. CodePen, a popular online code editor that is specifically geared towards front-end web development. It allows you to write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and see the results in real time. 2. JS Fiddle, a free online code editor that is popular for testing and debugging code snippets. It supports a variety of languages, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 3. JSBin, another online code editor that is focused on web development. It allows you to write and test HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code, and see the results in real time. 4. REPL.it, a versatile online code editor that supports a wide range of programming languages. It has a built-in debugger and allows you to collaborate with other developers in real time. 5. Cloud9, an online code editor that is owned by Amazon Web Services, AWS. It supports a wide range of programming languages and has a variety of features for collaborative development. Resources for learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are many websites that offer tutorials and resources for learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Here are a few popular ones. 1. W3 Schools, a comprehensive resource for web development technologies, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It includes tutorials, examples, and a reference section. 2. Codecademy, an interactive platform that offers courses and tutorials on a wide range of programming languages, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 3. MDN Web Docs, a comprehensive resource for web development technologies that is developed and maintained by the Mozilla Foundation. It includes tutorials, examples, and a reference section for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 4. Free Code Camp, a non-profit organization that offers free coding classes and resources, including tutorials and projects for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 5. Coursera, an online learning platform that offers courses and tutorials on a wide range of topics, including web development. You can find courses on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript offered by top universities and institutions. 6. Khan Academy, a non-profit educational organization that offers interactive tutorials and resources for learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as a variety of 7. Udemy, an online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses and tutorials on web development, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thank you.